If I told you that one simple shift in your daily routine could make you look 10 years younger, feel 20 years lighter, and perform better than you did at 25, would you believe me? Most people wouldn't, because society has convinced us that aging is something we cannot control. But what if I told you that staying young after 40 is not about having perfect genetics, expensive creams, or strict diets? Because the biggest secret to staying young after 40 is not what you think. It's not anti-aging creams. It's not magical supplements. It's not starving yourself or spending 2 hours in the gym. It's something far more powerful, far more accessible, and far more life-changing. Turning 40 doesn't mean slowing down. It means becoming smarter, stronger, and more intentional. Your energy, your mood, your metabolism, your skin, your hormones, your strength, everything is shaped by the habits you choose. Your body is not fighting age. Your body is following your lifestyle. Think about it. Some people look older at 35, while others look younger at 55. That alone proves that aging is not fixed, it's flexible. And once you understand the real key to staying young, you'll never fear aging again. You'll start seeing your 40s, 50s, and even 60s as your strongest, healthiest, most powerful years. People often say, aging is natural, it just happens. But in reality, aging speeds up only when your habits decline. When you're younger, your body can tolerate bad routines, poor sleep, junk food, and stress. But after 40, your body becomes more sensitive, both positively and negatively. Your lifestyle becomes the steering wheel of your aging process. Let's break it down. After 40, you naturally lose 3–8% of your muscle every decade. And muscle is the #1 factor that keeps you young. Less muscle means slower metabolism, more fat storage, weaker bones, lower energy, and sagging skin. Men begin experiencing testosterone decline. Women face estrogen fluctuations. Both lead to stubborn belly fat, low energy, poor sleep, and mood changes. But these hormone changes are not permanent. They can be managed, improved, and even reversed through lifestyle. Little things like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or a short workout feel harder because inflammation rises and healing slows. Your sleep cycles become lighter, shorter, and easier to disrupt. Poor sleep accelerates aging, kills hormones, damages skin, and increases fat storage. The crazy part? None of this is permanent. Each one of these age-related changes can be slowed, controlled, or even reversed with the right strategy. You have far more power over your aging process than you've been told. And the key is coming next. Here it is. The real key to staying young is not magic, it's science. Protect and rebuild your muscle plus manage your hormones through lifestyle. This is the formula that keeps people strong at 50, fit at 60, and active at 70. Muscle is the engine of youth. Hormones are the fuel that keeps the engine running efficiently. When you rebuild your muscle and balance your hormones, your body enters a youth mode where aging slows dramatically. Here, what happens when you improve muscle plus hormones? Your body burns fat faster. Your face becomes tighter. Your energy increases. Your metabolism gets stronger. Your sleep improves. Your skin glows. Your joints stay healthy. Your confidence rises. Your posture improves. You feel younger mentally and physically. This is why you see people over 40 looking younger, fitter, and healthier than people in their 20s. They are not blessed, they are consistent. Now here are the 3 golden pillars of staying young. You do not need a gym. Body weight alone can start transforming your body. Squats, push-ups, planks, rows, lunges, strength training boosts, growth hormone, testosterone, collagen production, metabolism, fat burning, joint strength. Your body cannot rebuild muscle, skin cells, or energy without enough protein. Aim for 0. 1 g of protein per pound of your goal weight. Protein keeps you full, sharpens your brain, improves hair, supports skin repair, and reduces cravings. Stress is the fastest aging accelerator. Even 5 minutes of slow breathing, walking, meditation, or stretching reduces cortisol instantly. These 3 changes activate your natural youth system. Without pills, without expensive products, without anything complicated. Now let's turn this powerful science into a simple routine you can use every single day. This routine is designed to boost your hormones, protect your muscle, energize your mind, and make you look and feel younger within weeks. Start your day with youth activation. Drink a full glass of water to wake up your organs and kickstart your metabolism. Step into natural sunlight for 5 minutes to reset your circadian rhythm, boost hormones, and improve your mood. Perform these 3 movements: 20 squats, 10 push-ups, 20 30-second plank. This small routine sends a powerful signal to your body that strength matters. Eat a high-protein first meal: eggs, chicken, lentils, yogurt, fish, tofu, or oats with protein. High protein prevents energy crashes, improves focus, and supports muscle repair. After every meal, take a 10-minute walk. This single habit helps control blood sugar, prevents fat gain, and improves digestion. It also lowers stress instantly. This is your strength-building window. Do 20-30 minutes of strength training at least 3-4 times a week. Alternate between upper body, lower body, full body. This routine boosts youth hormones for 24-48 hours after your workout. Do light stretching to relax your muscles and joints. Eat a protein-rich dinner to help your body repair while you sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of high-quality sleep, because sleep is the most powerful anti-aging tool. Poor sleep accelerates aging faster than anything else, faster than sugar, stress, or even lack of exercise. Follow this simple routine for 30 days, and people will start asking you what you're doing differently, because you will look and feel younger, stronger, and more alive. Age is not your enemy. Your habits are. People don't suddenly get old after 40. They get busy, stressed, inactive, under-recovered, and undernourished. But the moment you take control of your daily routine, your body responds immediately. You can boost your energy, regain your strength, tighten your skin, burn stubborn fat, and slow aging, starting today. You can look younger at 45 than you did at 25. You can feel stronger at 50 than you did at 30. You can live better at 60 than you did at 40. All you need is consistency. So here is your 30-day challenge. Start strength training. Increase your protein. Manage your stress. Protect your sleep. Stay consistent. Do this for 1 month, and your body will show you results you never thought were possible. If this video helped you, hit like right now. It tells YouTube that you want more content like this. Subscribe, because this is only the beginning of your transformation. And finally, comment "I'm ready" below to join our 40+ fitness community. Your age doesn't define your limits. It defines your potential. Stay young, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.